Hey Richard, how you doing? Leo here from Arona Marketing. I spoke with you earlier today about getting a custom video sent to you with some tips and tricks. I know you don't have a website, so what I've done is pulled your number one competitor and just kind of show you some things that they've got on their website and what they're doing and what they're not doing to show you that these people are easily beatable. And I want to show you a mass volume of searches that's going on in your area that you could definitely capture with a website. So this is your number one competitor here, Bone Dry Roofing. And one of their biggest things is they don't have content. Google loves content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page. Throughout that content, you want to add buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for in Google searches, where you're located, and what services you offer. Another good thing to do is when you build these websites out, you can save these photos because these photos and videos are considered content as well. So when you save all your photos, you want it to say something like roofing, Lexington, Kentucky roofer, Lexington, Kentucky roof replacement, things like that, telling the service and telling the location as well. Now, what I've done with these people, I can take their site right here, and I put them in one of my tools I have. It's called Ahrefs. And what that tool does is actually gives me the analytics through Google, and it tells me everything that they're being found for. So the first thing you see here is a UR and DR. This is the strength and the trust of their site. This is out of 100, and you want to keep these balanced and moving up continuously. Now they've got 9,000 backlinks, and 500 of those are referring domains, so that means they've got like 8,500 names in directories all across the internet. A backlink is a website linking to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal. There are some that are more spammy than others and some that's more authoritative. So you really want to go after the backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to your industry. So they've got 9,700 keywords that they're being found for. And these are things that people are putting into Google to search and to find these people. So roofing companies, Lexington, Kentucky, is 800 searches a month. With them being number one, they're probably getting 60 to 70% of that number. Roofing companies, Indianapolis, if they're pulling business from there, then they're getting a big percentage of those numbers as well. So what I've actually done is putting roofers, Lexington, Kentucky, and you're here at the top of the third page. And that's not bad. You're almost getting into that second page. I'll tell you a couple ways to get in there. Is if you are constantly adding reviews, having your customers that you do your awesome work for leave you reviews. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same across the internet. You definitely do not want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character About Us section at the bottom. You want to fill that out, and don't forget to add those keywords in it as well. Posting branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly really helps you rank organically. The thing with ranking organically is no one can take that away from you. Your website should be a lead generating tool, and these are some ways that you can access that website and utilize the content and the keywords and the photos to drive in more traffic to you. So adding citations is another way that you can get up on that front page, and that's adding your business name, address, and phone number in directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Yext, White Pages, because at the end of the day, honestly, Google's like a big popularity contest, and giving your information to as many directories as possible will make Google start to trust you more, and that will help boost your business. That's the UR and the DR I was showing you. Not only does it boost the business in your area, but it also trickles out to the surrounding areas as well. Being in the Google Map Pack normally gives you 30 to 40% of that traffic to your website, and it gives people will give you a call from there. And then, like I showed you down in the organic section, that's going to pull about 60 to 70%. There's your number one competitor right there. And I'm going to show you what I got. This tool over here also shows me the volume and how difficult it is to rank these words. Anything under 10, 9, 10 takes about a month or two to rank. 0 to like 5 takes a month. 5 to 9 takes about 2 months, maybe 3. But I want to show you these words, phrases that you can put into your website. So if you have your website built, you can have roofing companies, Lexington, Kentucky, that your competitor had. That's pulling 800. Roofing contractors, Lexington, Kentucky, is 350 volume. Roofers, Lexington, Kentucky, and roofing, Lexington, Kentucky, are two completely different keyword phrases, and those are generating 600 between the two. Roofing repair, Lexington, Kentucky, is another 100. Roof repair, Lexington, Kentucky, is another 100. So there's about 2,000 search volume right here every single month that people in Lexington are searching for. So there's a decent amount of volume here. Once you start ranking, a percentage of that volume will go to your website, and then a percentage of that will give you a call depending on your close rate, and then that'll turn into a customer. Richard, I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you giving me a couple minutes of your time today. I hope this was insightful and helpful. I appreciate to hear some feedback from you. You can just text back whenever I send this to you. The second you have a free chance, take a look at this video and tell me what you think. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about anything, feel free to reach out, Richard. I can be that resource for you. And I hope you have an awesome day.